Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the relation between electricity and magnetism. What is the relation between electricity and magnetism? Now, Hans Christian Ørsted, he was the first man who has discovered the experimental evidence of relation between electricity and magnetism. And this was an accidentally he happened to see this experiment. Now in this experiment, if you see here, I have connected a battery here, and the current is flowing from here, and it is this magnetic compass is kept here, which was earlier in the north south direction. As you know, if a magnet is suspended, it always align themselves into north south direction, and the wire is over the magnetic compass, and then this is a plug key here, and this is a circuit completed. So when he passed the current and the wire is placed over the magnetic compass and the current was going from south to north direction, he found that there is a deflection in the magnetic compass and the north pole of the needle deflects towards the west. So this shows that there is a relationship between electricity and magnetism. That means the electric current around electric current, it produces a magnetic field. So there is a relation between electricity and magnetism. And in the next experiment, what he did is he reversed the direction of current. In this, the direction was from south to north, and the wire is placed over the magnetic needle. The deflection of the needle was seen towards west. But this time he changed the direction of current, and this time it was this is plus here, so the current moves from here. This is plug P, and so the direction of current is now from north direction to south direction. And again the same, the wire was placed over the magnetic compass, and he saw that the deflection is towards east. This confirmed that the deflection which is produced in the magnetic compass is due to the electric current. Now, for finding the deflection of the magnetic compass, we use the rule which is known as Snow rule. That means it states that if the current is flowing in an electric circuit from south to north, you can see south to north here, the electric current is flowing in south to north direction in a wire kept over a magnetic compass. Wire is over the magnetic compass, then the north pole of the needle of the magnetic compass will deflect towards west. Now we can use this Snow rule. Now see, when the current flows from south to north, we have used this word south to north, and the magnetic this wire conducting wire is placed over the needle. So we have used this word when the current flows from south to north, wire is placed over the needle, then the north pole of the needle will deflect towards west. So that means, but if we change the direction, we change the now in this the direction is from south to north. If we change the direction and we make it from north to south, then the deflection is towards east because we have changed the direction of current. So reversing the direction of current, then the magnetic compass, the north pole of the magnetic compass will also get reversed. So this is the experiment of the Ørsted which relate the relation between electricity and magnetism.